All my fidgets. And by the way, guys, this is actually, I'm kind of poor, so yeah, but I'm trying to get some more fidgets. Eek. Heart Poppet, Puzzle Ball, Rabbit Squishy, Fidget Cube. Fidget Cube, Infinity Cube. I always mistake. Dimple Digit, mini one. Pop Tube. Tangle, I just bought it today. Simple Dimple. Trimple Dimple. Glow in the Dark Dimple. Pop It. Pop It. Fidget Cube. Stress Ball. Or Be Stressful. Glow in the Dark Putty. Monkey Noodle. And last but not least is this DIY stress ball. Bye!